Tim and Chloe. He really loves her, man.
He just doesn't do anything, this one. Come on. Do something.
So what?
It's kind of cold. A little bit on the cold side. We got a lump here. Is that the rat we just ate? Would that be him? You're like giant now, huh? The giant you are. Taking up my couch. You don't like close-ups? What's the matter? You don't like close-ups, buddy? Oh, I love this camera. This camera is awesome. Can I not do that? Look at this guy's coat.
Why did he kill me? Maybe I pissed him off somehow, wasn't it? Maybe there is no reason. Maybe Wakefield's just killing because he likes it. We go left.
Gotta love this camera. Gotta love this camera. Oh my god, I gotta love this camera. Oh, I love this camera. Oh my god, it's the best camera ever. Look how big he is. Casper is feeling kind of cold. Do you remember? Casper used to be like, he's heavy too. Look at this. He just wraps around my hand pretty big. He's a big boy now. Casper is seriously big. This is serious. Look at this boy. This is a serious boy right here. Hi, Casper. Say hello to the camera. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Yeah. Give the camera kisses. You gonna give him kisses, this camera? Look at his eyes. There you go. There you go. Where you going? Where you going? No. Stay over here. Don't go over there yet. See his big aquarium. He's trying to escape. Don't let this boy escape. Are you seriously trying to get away? Like, seriously? Let's get it close up. Oh, I love this camera. I love this camera. Come here. Where is he? He's coming at you. He just wants to look at what's going on inside the camera. I think he's a little... Look at him. He thinks he's a celebrity or something. No. He's trying to get the camera, everybody. Help! Help! Somebody help me. He's trying to get the camera. He's attacking the camera. Look at this dude. Look how long he is. Oh my god. He's heavy too. I think he's heavier than the dog right now. This is some serious. Do you remember what he looked like before?
One by one.
Now look at this. And that's just one of him.
Lies, betrayal, temptation.
He's getting big. He's super freaky. Super freaking now. He's pretty strong too. This is pure solid muscle. Just trying to get into every crevice. Crevices there. Look how lucky. There you go. And we need to fatten him up though. You're a little skinny boy right now. We need to get him nice and fat. I think he could probably do with some large rats now. Yeah, I think large rats can work. I give him small ones now, but I give him.
Michael Jackson's dead?
I give him maybe 2 back to back. So I give him 1 today. I'd give him 1 tomorrow, and he's good. One little rat isn't big enough for him. Huh?
Michael Jackson died?
Of course! Where have you been?
Say
We gotta go.